In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Gojodik Pencil to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which specific pencil you bought from this company, you will be able to connect it easily to an iPhone or an iPad. All of them are going to be compatible, and they will be primarily used for iPads, but they should work for iPhone. So all that you have to do is grab your specific model of Gojodik pencil, and to connect it, you simply have to tap on the end of the pencil. Most of their pencils will automatically connect and they will be used right away with your iPad or iPhone. They won't need Bluetooth. Of course, this might differ if you have a specific model or a specific pencil from another manufacturer, so refer to your manual. If you see that it needs Bluetooth, then all that you have to do instead is go over to the Bluetooth settings, make sure that it is enabled, and press a specific button or tap on the pencil to put it into pairing mode. With this done, find it under the list of available devices. But like I said before, most pencils will not need you to go into Bluetooth. As soon as you tap on the end of the pencil, it is going to be ready to be used. You should see an LED indicating that it is now successfully charged and ready to be used with your iPad or iPhone, and as soon as you tap it on the screen, it is going to work. If you want to write text with the pencil, make sure that the scribble option is enabled when you go over to the settings and you access the Apple Pencil category, and as long as scribble is enabled and you see that it is sufficiently charged, it will work right away. If it doesn't work, then first check the compatibility. Depending on the specific model of Gojodik pencil that you have, it might not be compatible with the iPhone specifically. Like I mentioned, most of them will be made for the iPad in mind. So make sure that your specific one is supported by an iPhone, and as long as it is, you will be able to easily use it. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Gojodik pencil to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.